Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am really going to go off the grid today and do something entirely different. I have a doorbell that is wired to the house. It has a camera in it. Well, for some reason or another, the doorbell will ring outside, but it will not ring inside. And not having Tom around, I don't know what to do. So what I have done is I have gone to Home Depot and I have purchased me this wireless doorbell by Hampton Bay, and I am going to try to put it together, put it on the outside so that when somebody rings the doorbell, until I can get somebody that will know how to rewire this thing, to have a doorbell in the house. So let's open the box and see what we've got. Well, it looks like I have the doorbell that plugs up in the house. I have two, one for the front door, one for the back door, and it looks like two little sticky things that you would stick this up on. And it also has a manual with it. So we shall get started. Well, according to the directions, I'm going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver, which I have got here, and a flathead screwdriver, which I have. It also says a drill. I'm going to see what I can do without the drill, because I don't know how good I'm going to be with the drill. So we shall see. Okay, the first thing it says is to plug in this doorbell at the desired location. So I'm just going to plug it in over here on this side, just for the time being, that we can see if this thing works. Okay, we've got it plugged into the wall over here. So now we're going to put the doorbell, the actual doorbell, outside, and we're going to give it a shot and just see. Okay, it says to take the back off of this push button with a small screwdriver. So I've got a very small screwdriver and we're going to take the back off. Okay, to remove that, you stick a screwdriver and just pry up on it, and then this pops up. And there it is. There's two pieces. Now it says to take this orange tab and remove the orange tab. Okay, I have pulled out the orange tab, and it says to temporarily put the, well, if I could hold the camera better, temporarily put the doorbell where it's going to be positioned at, and just see if it will ring. So let's try it. Okay, I'm going to take the doorbell and I'm going to go out this back door here, and I'm going to place it on top of my other doorbell that I've got here, just to, whoops, almost dropped it, just to see if it will even ring. I don't have the back on it or anything. I'm just seeing if it will ring. I can't believe it. It worked. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is, this is just a little sticky tab. I'm going to pull off the sticky part and I'm going to place it out here on top of the doorbell I've already got out there, the one that's wired in the house, and we're going to see if it will stay up there so we can have a door ring in the house. Okay, and now put the little sticky piece up here on it, and so what I'm going to do is you pull the outside. So what you do next is you take the outside piece and pull that off, and you put the back of your doorbell here. You stick that on there and it says rear. We'll stick that up there and we'll give it a good push. I've got that up there with a good push. As you can see, there's 2 screw holes that if this does work, I'll get someone to put the screws in, or I may even try them myself. So let's go get the rest of it. Okay, here's the doorbell, and I've got the back of it stuck out here on this thing in the back, and it tells you to install this end down. So let's go install and see what we got. Okay, I've got that stuck up there, and so now we're going to try to get the actual doorbell on the thing. I think it goes, you have to put it in that little slot. Okay, what you do is you put the little slot in the top and you mash it, and it has to click, and then when it clicks, aha, I have a doorbell. So like I say, I didn't put the screws in, I just used the little plastic tabs, but next time anybody comes, like my son or my brother-in-law, I'll get them to set the screws for me. So now I'm going to go try the front door. Well, it seems like I got the same sound no matter where I'm at, but I'll leave it alone because, like I say, I have not had a doorbell for a while, a couple of weeks. All I've got is the camera that shows who's out there, so I will settle just for that for the time being. I'll work on it again a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this little bitty video about how to install a doorbell. At least we've got a sound, and for you ladies out there that are on your own and don't know how to do anything, let me tell you what, you can do it. You just got to set your mind to it and keep plugging away at it. Have a good day. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll be cooking this afternoon. But this was just a spur of the moment thing. So I'll talk with everybody later. Have a good day. Bye.